Okay, it is about 30 minutes till Pipopo's second birthday, and he has his very first present to open up from Alex. Come here, Pipopo, you have your birthday present. But he's very scared of the box. I think I startled them. Come on, Pipopo. Let's see what we got in this box. No. Definitely no descriptions, which is sad. Pipopo, come here, please. Come here. Pipopo. What are you doing? Come here. Pipopo. You gotta open your birthday presents. That's always around, but it's not always your birthday. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, little man. What are you doing? Come here. Let's open your birthday presents. Thank you. Come on. Okay. No, they're very upset. Come on, let's open your birthday presents. No. Alright, maybe if we lay them out. Okay, we got some hay. We love hay. Oh, Alfalfa Slims. Pipopo. Pipopo, we love Alfalfa Slims, but we've never had them. Okay, hold on. He's very interested. Oh, he likes them. That's good boy. Open them. Open them up. Good boy. Good boy. You want them. All right, hold on. Let's open them up. Let's see what they are. Very interested. Do you like them? Come here. Try them. No. No, he's more interested in the packaging. Well, they smell good. Okay. Gift one. Maybe later. Pipopo, what about... Oh, Pipopo. Oh, my goodness. Oh, instant love. Oh, no, just one bite. Oh, yes. Pipopo loves this. Good boy. What will Gizzy think? Let's say this is not for Gizzy. This is all for Pipopo. Pipopo, I can't see you. Oh. Say thank you, Dad. Say thank you. Alright. Say bye. Come here, say bye. Say thank you. Good boy.